So guys, I'm playing Wool Hop right now. So I will show you my skills of Wool Hop. Let's go. So this is how I play. Then oh man, like this. Oh my god, I almost fell. Yes, this is what my skills of Wool Hop. Like, let me do this. So I just fuck this Wool Hop because this is so hard and I don't know this Wool Hop tricks. So that's how I play. But then it's so long that it's have been so long that I can't post I can't upload video because uh, uh, I don't know too. Oh, man. I'm laggy. So uh, this is so easy. I do this. I just hold the jump because I know how to do it. So I just shortcut this and I will do this. Wait. And that I can do that. Wait. Bam. Wait. This is the hard part that I always fail. I always fail in this one. Oh my god. Yes. I'm laggy. So I almost fell. So we just really do this. And hold the jump. It's not working. Oh my god, it's not working if I hold the jump. So finish this. Oh my god, it's not working. It's not working. So I just pass it. Two. Speed one finish. So I don't know. Oh I can't. This is so hard, man. This is so hard. Wait. 2, 3, go. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. So guys, I just got lag, so I will do this again because I'm so lag right now. I'm not lagged. Oh my god, yes I do it. This is so easy because I'm not lagged. So I can do this, and this, and this. Yes, easy moment. So this. Wait, let me do this. This. What? This. Okay. Let us see if and I will spam jump. I just need to do this. If I fail, I will end this video. So I don't need to fail. So I do this. Yes, and do this too. Like I will become a master of all. Can do all checks. So I want to become a master of all. Yes. And just do this. Let's go. Hey. And this is just my first time, and first time will have this and in this game. This is just my first time playing this, and I just know this because they just released a new tower. But says but I know this game to play because it says will have. So done. Let's go. Yes, we're going to. And yes, checkpoint. Let's go. So I just need to do this. Oh my god. I have a checkpoint, so if I fail, I have a second life. So I'm back because I got just lump. So wait, I can't do this. Yes. Okay, that was the old tower. Big admin and wait. Oh my god. What? What? Yes. Let's go. We're going to finish this game. What? So. Let's go. And. What? Please. Oh my god, I almost fell. That was so bad. That was so. Why is so hard? Because. Let's go. Oh, please. Yes, go. So, this is 100. Yes! We're going to finish this. Let's go. Yeah, please like, guys. Yes, I finished the game. Thank you so much. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Let's go.